good afternoon, good evening, good night, whatever time you are watching this. Good hello, my beautiful people of the world. Coming back at you with another video. So today we decided, as you can see, that we are gonna do the handcuff challenge. And instead of doing the whole, 24-hour kind of thing, no. We decided that we're just gonna do a quick go to the gym kind of thing, where we use all the machinery. And it's gonna be kind of hard because usually it's independent machinery, and we are handcuffed together.
Wait, I have a question.
What?
How are you gonna use the restroom?
You were supposed to go before you went to the gym. You seriously didn't use the restroom?
No.
I'm not going in there with you, I'm sorry.
Nah, me neither. Come on.
So, stay tuned, and we will see you at the gym. Okay, guys, so we just got to the gym. And, okay, well, how are you going to get out? Why do we have to go out through there?
Why do I gotta go out through there?
Because I want to get out through normally.
Ow!
Fine, just because there's a wheel here. Go.
Come on.
Wait. Wait!
Ow!
Can't forget the camera. Sorry, guys. Lock the truck. Dang, I'm playing that music loud.
Ah!
Adoni's all embarrassed because everybody's looking at us like we're crazy. I guess I'm working out too, huh, since I'm getting that muscle. Why do you look so angry?
This hurts. This really hurts.
Look, he has markings on his arm.
Oh, you can't really see it. Oh yeah, you can.
He has like marks.
Ready? Let me see. Hey guys. So right now, right here. Oh! Hurry up, man. Again. Oh God. This actually really hurts, honestly. Ah! Yeah.
Everybody is looking at us. So far, so many people have asked, like, what are we doing this for? So, hi, people at the gym that are watching this. Okay, we moved from the leg thing. I finished all my set, and then we're doing this one now.
Yeah.
Guys, I thought that this was going to be easier than it looked.
Attention all LA Fitness members. Can the owner of a black Honda Fit please come to the front? Again, can the owner of a black Honda Fit, license plate KDB7756, please come to the front? Thank you.
Anyways,
Ready?
I forgot what I was going to say.
Yeah, it is hard. What's my weight?
40. Oh yeah, I thought that this was gonna be easier than it looked, but actually going to the gym and doing these kind of things when the machines are singular, it's not as easy as I thought. Y'all are probably like, dumb Mensa, like what are you thinking?
This really is uncomfortable. And everybody's looking at us like, everybody. They're like, recording. Wow.
What do you mean everybody's recording?
People right now, I already seen them record it.
Oh, that guy in the red?
Yeah. You ready? Come on.
We made it on somebody's Snapchat. What are you gonna use? I'm gonna grab the 15. Let me see, I need to grab mine.
Ready?
Okay, this one hurts.
Oh, here comes this one. Oh. Ooh.
I can't do it.
Can't do it. This hurts.
I can't do it. I can't do weights. Do weights. My arm got super red. Look at that. So I'm just not even gonna try it. Are you gonna try it?
This hurts.
Yeah, so we're not gonna end up doing the weights.
Yeah, this is a bad idea. I can't do it.
I'm
Come
not
on.
gonna do the weights.
Come on, because I got a haircut appointment. Alright, I look good on the pool. Look at me. Ooh.
Come on, put the back. Come on. Let's just go home.
Why?
This is a failed attempt.
It was.
Ow, go higher.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're not supposed to use it like that. Oh, that's totally wrong use of. There you go. There you go. Ah!
I can't do it. I give up. I give up.
Why? What happened?
No. I give up.
Why? She got mad, guys. Failed attempt. She's mad. Come back. Cassandra. Cassandra. Come back. Cassandra.
Stop following me with the camera.
What you mean?
It's all your fault that we couldn't even do it correctly.
My fault.
Yeah, your fault.
Why is everything my fault?
Because you were over here not doing what you were supposed to be doing correctly, and now my arm is all red. Stop recording me. Fight. Fight.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. You can't catch me.
Guys, I've lost so much weight, like honestly, that my tights, they used to fit me really good, and now open the door. And now freaking stretch. Alright guys, that was our failed attempt at the thing. It was too hard. Like, I don't know how people do that. I don't know how people do that overnight. I couldn't be handcuffed to you for 24 hours. This did not work. I hated it. I hated every second of it. I didn't even get to vlog most of it because I have a horrible vlogger here, so it would just show him doing his own thing because I was the one recording it. Why are you mad though?
Let's go.
Why are you mad? Anyways, hope you liked this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I know it was kind of horrible. I'm sorry.
Sorry, it was me. I'm sorry.
Seriously?
I'm a horrible.
Bye, guys.